You're watching Idaho's News Channel 7. This is the news at 4.
Welcome to the news at 4. I'm Brenda Rodriguez. Joe has the day off today. We start with this. Two of Chad Daybell's children took the stand today. The first witness called by his defense attorney. Chad is on trial for allegedly murdering his wife of nearly 30 years, Tammy, and his current wife, Lori's children, JJ and Tylee. Dozens of people showed up to the courthouse to watch today's testimony, including our Morgan Romero. And Morgan, so many people actually showed up, and in fact, you weren't able to get into the newsroom.
Yeah, Brenda, seating in the courtroom is first come, first served. And although I got here to the Ada County Courthouse before it even opened at 8 a.m., I was not able to get in. And that just shows how much interest there still is in this case nearly 5 years after Tylee, JJ, and Tammy were all killed. The video you're going to see here is something I took this morning outside the courthouse. You can see how long the line is. Many of these people were here for the Daybell trial. One couple told us they drove 5 hours from Utah just to watch the defense's case in person and see what the Daybell children had to say.
It was really striking, though, to see the son testify, and he got very emotional, and that was touching, very touching. It's so fascinating, the mix of LDS theology with this kind of bizarre twist is really quite fascinating, and especially that it ends in deaths. It's just like, wow, this is really interesting stuff.
Chad and Tammy's daughter, Emma Murray, testified first today. When Lori's children were missing, Emma said her dad told her they were in a, quote, safe place. JJ and Tylee were found buried on Chad's property in June of 2020. During the prosecution's cross-examination, Emma testified she talks to her dad almost every day.
Do you recall your dad in early June of 2020 telling you not to cooperate with law enforcement?
I don't remember him saying that.
You don't remember a phone call in which he relayed to you, probably better if you just don't cooperate?
I don't remember that.
Do you remember then telling the FBI you were not going to meet with them anymore?
I chose not to do that because of counsel from another attorney.
But it was after having that conversation with your dad, correct?
No.
Was it after June 9th of 2020 that you told him that?
Yes.
After June 10th of 2020 that you told him that?
I don't remember.
One of the Daybell's sons, Garth, took the stand after his sister. Chad's defense attorney, John Pryor, asked what happened the night before and morning of his mom's death, October 19th of 2019. After her body was exhumed, forensic pathologists determined Tammy was asphyxiated.
And at some point between the time you got home at 1 o'clock and the time you went to sleep at about 3 o'clock, did you hear anything or any indication that there was any kind of sound or struggle?
I heard nothing.
Okay. And would you agree that it's close enough that if there was some kind of a struggle or a fight or anything that you would have heard it?
I would have definitely heard it.
Emma and Garth told jurors their mom's health declined. She lost her breath easily and was exhausted before she died. Emma testified she was the one who didn't want an autopsy for her mom. Chad never expressed an opinion about it. We've learned a lot about Chad's light and dark scale throughout his trial and his rating Tylee, JJ, Tammy, and Charles Vallow as dark. Emma and Garth told jurors their mom shared those same fundamental LDS beliefs and also frequently rated people on a light and dark scale. Garth Daybell's public defender briefly testified, and Emma's husband, Joseph Murray, was on the stand at the end of the day. Tomorrow morning, the prosecution will begin by cross-examining Murray.